Welcome to Vietnam!
Say hi. Ito kami mamaya. Our first coffee order. So I ordered yung coconut coffee nila. And then Gab ordered yung
Salty coffee
nila. Tastes.
So you're not bad. Not bad. I like this bed. This is good.
Sarap nito.
But I like that you haven't slept since last night. Nasa airport na kami ng 11:30 PM last night. Yung flight namin 5:10 AM. We need our fuel for the day. Habang nakaganong ka, huwag kang sip. Out mo lang, stay ka sa camera.
Ay, ang ganda! We're in Hanoi! Guys, I'm gonna try my first ever buncha here in Bangkok. Ito yung itsura niya. Oh my gosh! Chicha and then spring rolls. And then noodles, tapos veggies. And then nag-order pa si Gab ng pizza! Guys, ang sarap ng buncha.
What are you holding?
Ito? Mas ang dami ko ng wallet. Cute. Cute. Ganyan siya sa bag. Parang gusto ko.
What's that? What's that?
Bag. Laptop bag. Say hi!
Hi, Chicha, come on!
What's your name?
Gab!
Yeah.
K.
Okay.
Yes.
June.
You.
June.
Yung?
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you. Uy, dito tayo kanina.
Yes. Yung is very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice.
We finally arrived here in our Airbnb sa Old Quarter. So here is our room. And then this is what it looks like kapag nag-enter ka. Here is the bathroom. Ito yung bathroom namin. And shower lang. And then sink. And then mirror. We have a mirror over here to check ourselves. And then sa likod niyan is a very nice background for our fit checks, mga videos na gagawin namin while we're on this trip. And we can hang our clothes over here. Yan. Oh, may tissue din sila. Ah! Ito! May hair dryer. Tsaka steamer. Yay! And then, meron kaming TV over here. And a mini ref. Ayan. Naglagay sila ng bottled water. And here is our bed. Super nice. And then nag-give din sila ng toiletries. Tapos ito yung view namin. Wow, may balcony siya guys. Pwedeng lumabas dito. Pwede natin ito isara. And this is what it looks like. By the way guys, I'm filming a TikTok video kaya nakaharap ako dito. Nabili ko na yung bag na gusto ko. Babe, ano nito pronunciation? Show fifth, I don't know. Pero before that, meron pala akong tatlong binili. Ayan, para kita nyo rin. So, ito lang is Miffy, and then ito parang jellyfish lantern. Oh my god! Ah, super cute. Ang dami kong malalagay dito. And kaya binili ko na to ngayon para magamit ko na siya sa Vietnam trip ko. Hi guys! Pa-check out na kami. Mag-early check out kami today kasi papunta kaming Sapa and yung sleeper bus namin is 7 AM. So, ayan. Babay na sa room na to. Di man lang namin na-enjoy tong spot na to kasi nasa labas lang kami kahapon. Pero ayan, babalik pa naman dito hopefully. So, yeah! Bye-bye! Diba? Kasi nga, nasa kabilang cabin. Say hi! Wow! Ang ganda! Wow, ang cute! Oh my gosh! Guys, look at our room! Ito yung view namin. Sobrang ganda dito. Ayoko nang umalis. Gusto ko dito na lang ako. Just look at my view. Straight out of Ghibli, guys. I'm really glad that pinuntahan namin tong Lower Sapa instead of just Sapa Center. It's so pretty! No, lahat ng puntahan ko sobrang aesthetic ba? Tomorrow, Sapa Center naman kami and then balik kaming Hanoi. Samantalang yung isa nag-fit check. It's so good. This is the outfit. Oh my god! Kita niyo ba yan? Wow.
Takot siya dun sa kalabaw.
Hindi ako makapag-picture dun sa rocking chair.
Sabi niya pa kanina, oo, kaya ko. Nung lumapit, parang hindi ko pa na kaya.
Ang laki kasi!
Hindi ka na mawala!
Here's our lunch. Then, set up na siya pang TikTok namin. Pero I'm really excited for this one. This is the tofu lang. And then ito rice. So, let's eat.
Do you eat tofu?
Okay.
Pagkat ka lang small bite.
So far, wala pa kaming miss sa mga food na kinakain namin dito sa Vietnam. Ang sarap ng food nila, like, swear.
We survived.
Ito guys, yung view ko. Ito na siya guys so far. Hindi ko matama yung mga colors pero we'll try. Ito yung breakfast namin and then ito yung view. We have a dog companion. Set up natin. I used the blush and contour sticks from Issey. Magme-makeup lang ako guys. Tapusin ko lang to. Bye! Hi guys! Nasa Sapa Center na kami and magla-lunch kami dito sa Lado
Homestay.
Homestay and Cafe.
Ito, ang galing mo.
And ang ganda ng spot namin. Tignan nyo. Tada! First spot of this trip.
Finally!
Naiyak daw siya.
Try mo. You understand.
Oh my gosh.
Ready! Oh, wait. Do I have to control both? Yeah, one hand. Both.
Oh my gosh! Fast. Again? Are you gonna ride again? One more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Cute nila. Oh, let's go.
Tumatahimik talaga. I'll get this.
Ang tagal niya pong pinag-isipan niya.
Pumunta kami dito maliwanag pa. Gabi na.
Grabe yung shopping niya, guys. We're here sa Le Petit Gecko. Le Petit?
The Petit Gecko.
Gecko.
Hello! I'll show you the view. So this is our setup. Hello, my baby. This is how it's looking. We're about to leave Sapa in a few hours. So, what do you have to say?
I'm hungry.
She's hungry, you heard it.
You're overstimulating me. Lumipat kami sa loob kasi biglang umulan. And here's my order. And then, ito yung order ni Gab.
I'm in my healthy living era.
Let's eat. Hello! Nasa Hanoi na kami. Tulog kami sa sleeper bus.
I'm so pagod.
Sobrang alog ng sleeper bus. 2 p.m. pa yung check-in namin dito sa Hanoi. Picture muna kami.
It's permanently closed.
What the heck? So, mag-picture na lang siguro ako para hindi sayang yung lakad namin.
Yup.
Yup. I'm trying egg coffee. And then yung order niya is...
So, macchiato.
And then we're just waiting for our food. I'm really excited to try this and get the hype. By the way, look at our place. Randomly lang namin to nakita kasi close yung supposed to be pupuntahan naming cafe. And nakita ni Gab. And ang ganda ng view. Tada! Nasa Vietnam pero puro American yung ina-order.
Saan yung nila?
Okay, we're gonna try the egg coffee for the first time.
First and authentic reaction. Ito nyo yan guys, wala pang ano.
Walang lasa. Try mo.
May lasa naman siya pero yun na yun.
Oo, lasang foam. What the heck? So, ito na lang pala yung fries.
Bawiin natin sa kanilang fries and sa kanilang special Thai pasta. Try mo to, salted caramel macchiato. Pambawi man lang.
Sige, try na lang natin tong order ni Gab.
Ano pa nga ba? Kanya na naman yung drink ko. Tay tayo dyan.
Sarap siya.
Tay tayo dyan guys. Pag narinig ko na yung, uy, ang sarap. Mamaya siya na yung may hawak niya, siya na yung umiinom. Because I'll be left with the egg coffee.
La la la.
Guilty as charged.
Yes.
Nagsusukat na po siya ng clothes. Ang dami niyang bibili. Yay! Ako to buy. I'll buy it. Ganda rin.
Naka-check-in na kami sa aming last Airbnb dito sa Old Quarter. Ayun, alis na ulit kami. Bye-bye! Our first bunny.
Ano yung cordon bleu?
Guys, I bought something. Binili ko yung white tatties nila. And sobrang mura niya lang. 1.3 lang siya in peso. Kaya, this is so sulit. Pengi alcohol! This is so sulit. Okay. Guys, sa Green Street na kami. Naglakad kami ng sobrang haba.
Na parang sinundon pa kami ng snatcher.
Kaya nga eh.
So, I kept looking at him like this. And then he stopped.
Yeah, we ordered beer and then nilagay namin yung, ang tawag dito?
Tansan.
Tanzan dun sa railway para ma-flatten out. So,
Oh my god, da war ich jetzt, ja.
hi guys! It's our 5th day in Vietnam and today si Gab naman ang magsha-shop. Ako magpipicture lang sa Giao Mua and then magpapatattoo tita.
I kind of want something written here across. We'll see.
We'll see. Hindi na ako nag-room tour guys kasi magulo na yung gamit namin. Bye!
Paano dapat?
Kaya mo?
Yes, hindi ko kaya yung ganito eh. Hindi ko kaya to. Ito lang kaya ko.
Okay.
So,
Boom, 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 boom.
bang!
Isa ba? Boom, 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 boom.
Bang! Let's go!
Boom, boom, boom.
Bang!
Ako naman yung waiting guys. Shopping na siya. Ito na lahat ng pinamili namin from our shopping spree. Hindi ko na i-unbox to dito sa video. But you can check it sa TikTok ko at NotKeishi. So, yeah! So excited! Guys, ito yung dinner namin. Ito kami sa labas.
Chow steak!
Hi guys! It's our last day in Vietnam and pa-check out na kami. Today, di na namin susundin yung itinerary namin supposedly kasi pagod na rin kami. Pero tatambay lang kami sa may cafe and then magpo-photo booth kami yung tak-tak photo booth kasi parang vintage style siya. So, lalakarin na lang namin yun. And then, baka mag-souvenir shopping pa kami. Ikot kami dun sa first Airbnb namin kasi dun marami. And then, ayun, tatambay na lang kami sa nearby cafe, dun sa all-day cafe, yung pinagtambayan namin. Kasi may wifi, may CR, and maganda yung couch, and masarap yung food. So, ayun. Bye-bye! Guys, ito yung unang photo namin. Hindi namin alam na 4 pala. Pero ang ganda ng kinalabasan. Ko pa kami isa. Ito na yung second stage.